Listen to that slide. Oh yeah. And then you can put stuff in there like sandwich meat, dressing, stuff like that over here, and then stuff over here. And then it comes with a free water bottle. I think that's a water bottle. I don't know what this is. It's like a social thing. I don't know what this is for.
Water filter.
Look how much space is in here. You can put stuff here, up here, fresh flow, whatever this stuff is supposed to be here. And my hands can reach it there. This actually is my dream fridge. Oh, and look at the size. Max ice, max cool, all this other stuff. Is there anything on this side? No. And then with the ice, water. Yeah. We already have our dream bathroom. Now we got my dream food. But then yet again, this one also looks nice. Like look at this. You have stuff right here.